In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mirror Monday.com. Mirroring in Monday.com lets you display information from one board inside another board without duplicating or manually updating it. It's perfect when you're managing multiple projects but want a single, up-to-date view of key details like status, timelines, or owners. I'll walk you through connecting your boards, adding a mirror column, linking the data, and then customizing how that information looks. Let's start by connecting your boards. On the board where you want to display mirrored information, move to the right side of your columns and click the plus icon in the column header area. From the list that appears, choose Connect Boards. This opens a window where you can select the source board, the board that already holds the information you want to mirror. After you select that board, look for the option that says Create a two-way connection and check that box. This allows changes to stay in sync from both sides. Once you've done that, click the blue Connect Boards button to finalize the connection. Now that your boards are connected, you can add a mirror column. Again, click the plus icon to add a new column. This time, select More Columns to open the full column center. Use the search bar and type Mirror. When the mirror column option appears, click Add to Board. You'll now see a new mirror column on your board, ready to pull in data from the connected board. Next, let's link the actual data. Go to a cell in your new mirror column and click it, then choose Connect. A prompt will appear asking you to select the column you want to mirror from the source board. Use the drop-down to pick the specific column, such as status, date, or owner. Then, in the same row, click into the Connect Boards cell. A pop-up will appear showing items from your source board. Select the item or items you want to link to that row. Once selected, the mirror column will update to show the value from that item. Finally, you can customize how this mirrored information is displayed. Click on the header of your mirror column, then click the three dots or More Options menu. Choose Settings, and then Customize Mirror Column. Here, you'll see a drop-down menu that lets you pick exactly which column from the connected board you want to display. Select the one that matters most for that view, and your mirror column will update accordingly. And that's how you mirror Monday.com. Connect your boards, add a mirror column, link your items, and customize how the data appears.